Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show exactly how to disable dark mode on Telegram and switch back to the classic light theme. If your app suddenly looks darker than usual, or you just prefer a brighter interface, this step-by-step guide will help fix it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will appear with several options. From that menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls the appearance of your chats, including themes, text size, and color options. Now here's the key step. In Chat Settings, you'll see an option related to your current theme. If dark mode is enabled, you should see something like Switch to Day Mode. Simply tap on that option. As soon as you do, Telegram will instantly switch from dark mode to the light theme. Your background will become brighter, and the overall look of the app will feel more clean and vibrant. And that's it. You've successfully disabled dark mode on Telegram. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and choose dark mode again anytime. Telegram makes it really easy to customize your experience based on your preference. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to get the most out of your apps.